What's going on, YouTube? It's your girl, Lou Cruz, aka 9 to 5 Laptop Junkie Lou. We've got 4 steps to how to make money from home with PayPal. Our 4 steps are 1. Choose a product or service. 2. Build a website. 3. Create and install a PayPal button. And then 4. Drive traffic. Okay, so first we're gonna choose a product or service to sell on an affiliate website that we're about to build. And so if you have a passion, like you like to teach things, maybe you could write a book, an ebook, and sell it on your website. Or you could sell a course on your website, or you could sell a consultation with you on your website, or something like that. Let's say you don't have anything to sell. I'm going to use as an example for those who don't really have anything to sell, they don't know what to sell, the email processing system. So let's say you're selling the email processing system, okay? To sell the email processing system, you have to first purchase the email processing system for $25. I already own the email processing system, so that means I can resell it. So we're going to go on to step 2, build a website. So as we can see here, using Weebly.com, build a free website that explains the product/service you are selling. Okay, so let's minimize here. Open here, come to Weebly. All right, so I'm already signed in. If you don't have an account, go ahead and make one. It's free. And then boom, I'll add here, add a site. Okay. I just need a website. All right. So when you get to select a theme, this is the theme, Travelin'. Travelin' is a theme that I recommend, and it's the theme that I use personally and have generated income via PayPal. So boom, we'll click here, and this is what it looks like. Also, I have a guide. So this is a full step-by-step guide to what I'm about to do very quickly. Okay, so as you can see, boom, boom. This is what you get with your traveling website. See, theme preview. Okay, boom, boom. It looks like this, it looks like this, looks like that. So basically what I'm going to do is go through this and just swap out all of these things to promote email processing. Well, the email processing system. And so I actually created a website already for a customer. So I'm going to use his website to show you how it should look. Okay, see, it's basically, you can see the same. And but here it says email processing system, start today, get paid today. Okay, then there's a video. That's me. Then there's a video explaining it. Scroll. Boom, get started. This is what I'm going to also show you how to create with PayPal. So as you see, if I click here, boom, I have in the cart $25 email processing system. Now I'd have to log in, or I could pay as a guest. Look at this. Okay, boom. So boom. This is basically what you need to get paid. That link on your website. Okay, so I clicked his get started and it took me to this. So if I was a customer and I wanted what he was selling, boom, I put in my information, pay now, and he would get notified. So this is what you're trying to do, okay? All right, so as you can see, I just went in and changed out the pictures, changed out the wording, telling about the email processing system, how it works, you know, how much you can make using it. You can see. All right, and then boom, here's another get started now button. Let's see where that takes us. Voila, it's taking us to another way to pay via PayPal. So he will get that $25 if I pay, or when someone pays for his email processing system. Okay, so we're going to close out of that really quickly. Alright, so as you can see, it's a simple one-page website. Actually, I believe this is 2 pages. Yeah, 3 pages. We have the home page, about page. Now this is another page just telling you about the email processing system. See another video, informational video. Then here is telling you about the person who owns this site, who you would be buying the email processing system from. Okay, and then you have questions. Here's where you ask. Okay, and then contact questions. Click here, takes you right back for you to fill this out. Okay, boom. Let's go back home. So let's say you don't know what to write here. See how it starts off, plan your next getaway, start booking. And then you see how I switched it up. Instead of it saying plan your next getaway, email processing system, start today, get paid today. Then where you see this start booking button, that's where I put the get started. Okay, and then of course I inserted a video. Sometimes people don't like to read. They're not going to read this a lot of times. They're not going to read it. They're going to look at the pictures, but they're not going to read what this says. But they still want to know what they're getting. So a video is good to have so people don't have to read, because people don't like to read. So this is an informational video letting you know what's going on, what you're getting. See, it's literally kind of basically the same format. I just swapped out the pictures. And where did I get these pictures? I Googled for them. Let me just show you really quick. Because this is a work at home type of job, I typed in, I think I typed in laptop lifestyle. So let's see images. So bam. Here's that one that I used. Okay, no. Oh, look, boom. Here's one that I use on the site. You can see it. Just typed in laptop lifestyle. And so look, here's another one that I use. Point is, you use your laptop, you use your computer, you can make money. So that's kind of what you want to look for pictures about. Okay, and so you can insert. And then I put little quotes about it. Immediate openings available. All you need is 30 minutes each day to do this. Step-by-step instructions. No experience necessary. All of the verbiage that I use on this site, I didn't have to come up with myself, because when you purchase the email processing system, you actually get pre-written ad copy booklet. So this is the book you get when you purchase it. So if you scroll down, it tells you what to say about it. You know, it tells you exactly what to say. There's a lot. Let's say you get someone's email address and you want to try and drive them to your website, which I'll talk about in the next step. It tells you what to say. So let's see where I am on my steps. Building the website, okay? So once you have everything built, then you'll need to create and install a PayPal button. Just want to make sure you can see this. Create and install a PayPal button. So we're going to go to paypal.com. If you don't have an account, you're going to create one. It's free. And then you're going to create the PayPal button. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. All right. Go to your PayPal. You're going to go to Tools, PayPal buttons. Okay. You're going to click Buy Now, because that's the button you're trying to create, so you can get paid. So now you're going to create your button. So let's say you purchased the email processing system. That's what you want to use. Go ahead and type in $25 email processing system. Put in your price, which is $25. And you're done with that portion. You can either create button or you can customize advanced features. Okay, so if you customize advanced features, the only thing you want to do is come down to this second take customers to this URL when they finish checkout. So the way the email processing system works, once the customer purchases, then you get an email from PayPal saying that someone has purchased and you have $25 in your account, and then you would email them the email processing system, which is basically a link to a website where you can download and learn and have access to everything. So to take out a step for you, instead of having to create that email, what will happen is it will take the customers directly to the email processing system. So you're going to put that link in this area. Okay. You'll put that link. And so as soon as they check out, it'll take them right to the email processing system. And so you're done. You don't have to do anything at that point. So boom, create button. I'm going to unclick that because I don't have anything in there. So you're going to create button. And see here, it takes you to this page with your code. Also, a link. So I'm going to show you how to use both of these. This and this. Okay, so first we got this. We're going to select this code and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to Weebly. And I'm going to scroll over on this left side. Alright, so sometimes you might just see this. And what you do is show all elements. Okay, and so what you're looking for is embed code. So we take this embed code, let's put it right here under our start booking. Okay, so here it is here. Probably can't see it, but it says click to something on HTML. I don't know what it says. Custom, click to set custom HTML. It's like hidden. All right, then you click edit custom HTML. Boom, now you can see. Now I'm gonna paste in what I just got from PayPal. So once I paste that, I'm gonna click away. Like this would be clicking inside the box. This would be clicking away outside the box. So boom, I clicked away. And as you can see, now I have this button. So I'm clicking inside the button box, and then I'll click that to make it go into the middle. Now let's say, and of course it's in the middle now when I click. Alright, so let's say you had this button already. I would change what it says. Let's see, button text, start booking. Would I put start now, or start today, or sign up, or get started, anything like that. So got start now, and then it says link. So right now it's linked to the contact page. So I'm going to unlink, click the link again, and then website URL. Come back to PayPal, this email. See, it gave me a link. I'm going to copy it. Let me just do it like this. You can see I'm copying it. Come back here, pasting it. Shabam. So now this button is linked to that website. And this is what you get if you use HTML code. Okay? And that's it. So of course, we'd finish editing and make it look more like this. But as you can see, also this gets started now. You can literally Google it. You go to try get started now button, images, and there you have it. You have a bunch to choose from. So what you would do is save it. Then on Weebly, you'd come to image, put an image in there, just drag and drop it, upload image from your computer. I think I might already have it, yes I do. Okay, click where it is, boom, now you have it. Click it again, because you gotta link it. Website URL, copy and paste that website that PayPal gave you, and you're all set. So now this get started button, which was just a picture, links back to your PayPal as well. Okay, I think I put my, okay, so there you have it. Like I said, you're gonna swap all this stuff out for what you copy and paste out of your webpage or your booklet. But that's pretty much it. Once you finish everything, you click publish. Of course, you'll put your domain name in here, whatever you want to call it. And then we'll continue to the next step. So after we've created and installed our PayPal button, our final step is drive traffic to your website. So once your website is complete with your PayPal button installed, begin to drive traffic to your site and watch the sales roll in. So yes, driving traffic would be SEO, which is search engine optimization, and that goes for YouTube as well as Google searching. So if you go to Google, and I have something in here called Keywords Everywhere, which you can download. Go here, you can download it, and then every time you search something, it will give you the results here. So it will help you find keywords to search so you can rank on Google. And then also for YouTube, I want to show you what I use for YouTube. I use TubeBuddy so that I can rank my YouTube videos. So you would go here to TubeBuddy to download it, and let me just show you really quickly how TubeBuddy works, because I've already showed you how this is where Keywords Everywhere is. So let me show you how TubeBuddy works. Here we go. Let's see, youtube.com. Once you download it, you'll see it right here. This would be TubeBuddy once you download it, and I showed you, just Google it and then click the link. Alright, and so what you would go to is Keyword Explorer, and so get those keywords, and that's how you get the most traffic. And that's literally every step that I have. Okay.